In this video, we're going to show you how to make a different kind of Black Forest cake with fresh cherries. Start with your chocolate cake base and cover it fully in sugar syrup. Ensure that your entire cake is well covered so it's nice and moist. Then you take your whipped cream in a bag with a round tip nozzle like we've used and pipe your whipped cream all through your cake. Ensure that it's nice and even all throughout so the filling is nice. Next step, add in your chopped cherries. Use your fresh cherries all across the cake. Make sure it's evenly spread around. Then you add your next layer of chocolate cake. Don't forget to brush it with your sugar syrup and then repeat with the whipped cream in the same way like we've done here. Again, add your chocolate cherries, your cut fresh cherries all throughout the cake. Don't be stingy with your cherries here, okay? Add your next layer of your cake and chill it in the fridge for a few minutes. If you want to know how we've made this tempered chocolate wrap for our cake, please watch our previous video. I'm also linking how to do it in the description below. We then finish this with a beautiful whipped cream decor. I've changed my piping tip over here so that the design on top is a little bit different from the inside. Next up, I'm going to add some fresh cherries to my cake. And there you have it, your Black Forest cake